The state's ban on large capacity magazines is set to take effect next month, but a new lawsuit putting that in jeopardy. The Bellevue-based Second Amendment Foundation and some others claim that the ban is unconstitutional, and they're asking a federal court judge for an injunction preventing the ban from taking effect on July 1st. The lawsuit claims that it prevents people from defending itself. The group says the U.S. Supreme Court is considering two cases that could change the Washington law.